In this video, I'll show you how to add a navigation menu on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're going to come to the left sidebar. You click on websites, then you click on pages. Now, adding a navigation menu in Squarespace is done through the pages panel. And then this is where you can organize pages into sections that automatically appear in your site's header, footer, and other navigation areas. So as you can see, this is the main navigation, and you see here we have the home drop down and we have about. Now this is the home drop down, about, and once you look down further, you see there are other pages like the contacts page and the home page that are not under the main navigation. Now these pages are not linked to the website in a whole yet, and once we move them from here and we move them up, we drag and we drop under the main navigation, you see the page reloads, and now we have the contact page on our main navigation. And also once we drag this page up here, we can also have the home page right next to the home drop down and the contact page. Now if you'd also like to add a new page to the main navigation, all you do is you click on this plus sign and you can add any type of page that you want. Now if you add a blog, we're gonna choose the blog layout, and just like that we've been able to add a blog. You see it says blog 1, so let's leave it as blog 1, and the blog has been automatically added to our pages as you see it here as blog 1. And once we want to take it off the main navigation, we drag it to the bottom. You realize the page reloads and then blog 1 disappears from the page. Now that's how you add a navigation menu on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.